Okay, so a little quick commentary before we get into the video. Using my GoPro, don't have my mic set up at the moment. Everything came out pretty good. I used Meguires 67 compound, just the oxidation removal. This is not the buffing, the final stage of the wax. I will recommend doing small sections at a time. Take your time, start out slow on your RPM setting, on your dewalt buffer, depending on what machine you have. Most of them should have different settings. Don't overdo it. Take a break, have a drink. Don't have a drink, but do what you do. Take this video, use it, abuse it. Drop a comment, like, subscribe, all of that good old stuff. All right. So here I am. Hopefully y'all can see a little bit. Let's tilt this down. Using Meguires one-step compound 67. Try to get out some of these marks. Some are for me, some are not for me. Get out some of the oxidation. See what we get. Try to rub some of this on here. Oh man, I should have tested this thing before I threw it on. Just rub it. Open faster, little boy. Mm-hmm.